Okay, let's start with the main components, the CPU. And this CPU is AMD Ryzen 5 3600. It has 6 cores and 12 threads. And it is unlock desktop processor with red stealth color and the world's most advanced processor in the desktop PC gaming segment. It can deliver ultra-fast 100 plus FPS performance in the world's most popular games. The 6 cores and the 12 processing threads bundled with the quiet AMD red stealth color with the max temps is 95 Celsius. And it has 4 2 GHz max boost unlocked for overclocking 35 MB of game cache, and it is DDR4 3200 support. And for the advanced socket AM4 platform can support PCIe 4.0 on X570 motherboards. And it has 4.2 GHz max boost unlock for overclocking 35 MB of game cache, and it has DDR4 3200 support. And for the advanced socket AM4 platform can support PCIe 4.0 on X570 motherboards. So that's it for the CPU. And for the motherboard is Gigabyte X570 AORUS Elite, and this motherboard is support AMD 3rd Gen Ryzen and 2nd Gen Ryzen and also Ryzen with Radeon Vega graphics card processors. And this motherboard has dual channel ECC with non-ECC and buffered DDR4 with 4 DIMM slots with through for 12 pieces digital VRM and extended VRM heatsink. And for the dual ultra-fast NVMe PCIe 4.0 and 4 3.0 M.2 and thermal guard. So that's it for the motherboard. And for the RAM is Gigabyte 16GB AORUS RGB DDR4 3600 MHz CL18 dual channel kit 2 8GB with 2 demo kits. This RAM is 16GB AORUS RGB DDR4 3600 MHz CL18 dual channel kit by 2 8GB, and it has includes times 2 8GB modules and times 2 demo kits with 36 MHz PC4 2800 800, and for the CSS latency of CL18 at 1.35 V. So that's it for the RAM. And for the M.2 or SSD is WD Black SN750 1TB NVMe internal gaming SSD with Gen 3 PCIe and M.2 2280 with 3D NAND. And this is an exclusive WD Black SSD dashboard with gaming mode improves game performance with the available in capacities ranging from 250GB to 2TB, and for the ideal of for enthusiasts building custom desktops or gaming rigs, the NVMe drive not compatible with SATA interface. So that's it for the M.2 or SSD. And for the case is AORUS C300 glass. This case is full size 4mm tempered glass side panel with HDMI and USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type C on I/O panel, and also has RGB Fusion 2.0 synchronized RGB lighting with other AORUS devices. And this case support vertical and horizontal VGA installation, and also for liquid cooling compatible with PSU shroud design and detachable dust filter. AORUS C300 glass is designed for both vertical and horizontal mounted VGA. Show off your fancy graphics card for best viewing presentation with the flexible support of vertical VGA installation. So that's it for the case. And for the CPU color is AORUS RGB AIO liquid color 240mm radiator with dual 120mm WINDFORCE PWM fans, and it can customizable full color LCD display with the advanced RGB lighting and control. This CPU color is quiet efficient cooling with a 240 radiator with customizable full color LCD display with 6 unique modes, and it has fully customizable RGB Fusion 2.0 fans with multi-zone lighting with dual 120mm high airflow quiet WINDFORCE radiator optimized PWM fans and ultra durable dual ball bearing fan design. So that's it for the CPU color. And for the PSU or the power supply is Gigabyte P650B 0 Plus Bronze 650 watts with the quiet HYB fan and active power protection. And this PSU or power supply is 80 plus bronze certified up to 89% efficiency with the 100% Japanese capacitors and 120mm hydraulic bearing fan also with the single plus 12 volts rail. So that's it for the PSU or the power supply. And for the GPU or the graphics card is Gigabyte GeForce RTX 2070 WindForce 8GB graphics card with 2 WindForce fans and 8GB with 256 bits GDDR6. This GPU or graphics card is powered by GeForce RTX 2070 with NVIDIA Turning architecture and real-time ray tracing. And it has WindForce x2 cooling system with alternate spinning fans with the intuitive controls with AORUS engine of 8GB 256 bits GDDR6. So that's it for the GPU or the graphics card. So that's it. Good luck to your PC build and see you in the next video. Thank you.